In a world where innovation drives exploration, SpaceX stands at the forefront, reshaping what we thought possible in space travel. With each Starship test flight, we're witnessing the birth of technologies that promise to change humanity's future forever. Now, as Flight 7 approaches, the stakes have never been higher. This mission introduces the revolutionary Starship Block 2, a formidable upgrade designed to tackle challenges that have eluded previous versions. With advanced landing strategies, groundbreaking recovery techniques, and cutting-edge engineering enhancements, SpaceX is set to prove that reusable spacecraft are no longer a dream, but an imminent reality. What's more, Elon Musk himself has shared fascinating insights and rare glimpses inside the Starship, giving us an intimate look at this historic leap forward. What does this mean for the future of space exploration? What can we expect from the world's most powerful rocket? And why is Flight 7 such a pivotal moment for SpaceX's vision? Welcome to Elon Musk 24 Hours, where we bring you closer to the universe of innovation. Let's dive right in. SpaceX is no stranger to challenges. From its early days, the company has faced countless moments of doubt, moments when failure seemed inevitable and the odds insurmountable. But each setback has only fueled its determination, its drive to achieve what others deem impossible. With Flight 7, SpaceX is embarking on a mission that represents the culmination of years of learning, experimentation, and relentless innovation. This isn't just another test flight. It's a defining moment that could change the future of space exploration forever. At the heart of this mission lies the newly unveiled Starship Block 2. This isn't merely an upgraded version of the spacecraft. It's a complete reimagining of what a reusable rocket can be. Taller, more powerful, and designed with groundbreaking innovations, the Block 2 is SpaceX's answer to the challenges that have plagued earlier Starship flights. This mission will test not only the hardware, but also the vision that drives SpaceX forward. The dream of making space travel as routine as air travel and as accessible as a family road trip. The stakes couldn't be higher. Flight 6, the previous Starship test, showed tremendous promise, but fell short of its goals. The descent was precise, the trajectory near perfect, but the landing was a catastrophe. The spacecraft hit the water with devastating force, shattering on impact and erupting into flames. For some, this might have been a failure. For SpaceX, it was a lesson. Every mistake, every fragment of debris collected from the splashdown site off the Australian coast became a piece of the puzzle that would lead to Flight 7. Now, armed with those lessons, SpaceX is ready to show the world what it has learned. The Starship Block 2 is a marvel of engineering, a testament to what is possible when human ingenuity is pushed to its limits. From the moment you see it, you can tell that this spacecraft is different. It's taller, its lines more refined, its design more purposeful. Every inch of Block 2 has been scrutinized, tested, and optimized to ensure success. One of the most striking changes is the forward flap system. In previous versions, these flaps were a source of frustration, causing drag and instability during the critical supersonic phase of re-entry. They were oversized, awkwardly positioned, and ultimately ineffective. But SpaceX's engineers took these flaws and turned them into strengths. The new forward flaps are smaller, sharper, and positioned with precision, allowing for greater control and stability during descent. It's not just an upgrade, it's a revolution in aerodynamic design. Beneath the spacecraft's sleek exterior lies another game-changing innovation, the enhanced heat shield system. Re-entry is one of the most perilous phases of any space mission, with temperatures soaring to thousands of degrees. Previous Starship models relied on a single layer of protective tiles, but the Block 2 takes this to the next level. Its dual-layer system includes a refined set of external tiles and a secondary ablative layer beneath, providing unparalleled thermal protection. This isn't just about surviving re-entry. It's about thriving, mission after mission, in conditions that would destroy lesser spacecraft. The tension surrounding Flight 7 is palpable. SpaceX has set an ambitious goal, not just to land the Starship, but to recover it intact, floating on the ocean surface. This would mark a monumental step toward achieving full reusability, a goal that has driven SpaceX from the beginning. Recovery crews stationed off the coast of Australia aren't preparing to collect debris this time. They're ready to tow back a fully intact spacecraft, It's a bold plan, and the world is watching to see if SpaceX can pull it off. As the countdown to launch continues, Elon Musk himself has added to the anticipation by sharing rare glimpses of the Starship's interior. These images reveal a world of intricate craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. Inside the massive cylindrical structure, smooth stainless steel walls gleam under the light, their seams so precisely welded they appear seamless. Triangular support brackets line the interior, providing structural integrity and mounting points for critical components. In one image, two workers are suspended by safety harnesses, dwarfed by the immense scale of the spacecraft. Their task is delicate and vital, adjusting a sensor that will play a critical role in managing fuel flow during flight. These moments, captured in the stillness of preparation, remind us of the human effort behind every launch. It's not just machines and algorithms, it's people, driven by a shared vision of what humanity can achieve. But the true heart of Starship lies in its engines. The Raptor 3, the latest iteration of SpaceX's revolutionary engine design, is nothing short of a masterpiece. Each engine generates an astonishing 280 tons of thrust, and with 33 of them powering the Super Heavy booster, the combined output exceeds 9,000 tons of liftoff thrust. To put that in perspective, this is more power than any rocket in history, a force capable of launching Starship's massive payloads into orbit and beyond. What makes the Raptor 3 truly remarkable, however, isn't just its power, it's its efficiency. Designed for rapid reusability, these engines can be refurbished and relaunched with minimal downtime, aligning perfectly with SpaceX's vision of making space travel routine. And this is only the beginning. Musk has hinted at future iterations capable of even greater thrust, paving the way for missions to Mars and beyond. As the final hours before launch approach, the anticipation is electric. This mission isn't just about testing hardware, it's about proving a philosophy. SpaceX believes that space exploration should be accessible, sustainable, and ambitious. And Flight 7 is a testament to that belief. It's a mission that will test the limits of engineering, the resilience of the human spirit, and the power of innovation to overcome even the most daunting challenges. When the Starship Block 2 rises into the sky, it will carry more than fuel and hardware. It will carry the dreams of millions, the hopes of a future where humanity is no longer confined to a single planet. And when it comes back down, it must do so intact, floating on the water like a promise kept. Flight 7 is more than a mission. It's a story of ambition, perseverance, and the relentless pursuit of a better future. As SpaceX pushes forward, it reminds us all of the power of dreaming big and daring to fail. Because in every failure, there is a lesson, and in every lesson, there is the seed of success. With Starship, SpaceX isn't just building rockets, it's building the future. And as the countdown reaches zero, the world will hold its breath, waiting to see if that future begins with Flight 7. As Flight 7 inches closer to reality, it becomes clear that this isn't just about a spacecraft. It's about rewriting the rules of what humanity can achieve. Every inch of the Starship Block 2, every innovation in its design, and every adjustment made after Flight 6 is proof of SpaceX's relentless pursuit of progress. This mission represents more than a test. It's a bold step toward a future where space travel is no longer the realm of science fiction, but a tangible part of our lives. When Starship takes off, it carries with it the hope of a new era, one where reusability makes exploration sustainable, where distant planets become reachable, and where the stars are not just for gazing, but for reaching. SpaceX is not merely launching a rocket, it's launching a vision for all of humanity. But this journey isn't just about the engineers, the rockets, or even Elon Musk. It's about you, the dreamers, the believers, the ones who see a brighter future and dare to chase it. Your curiosity, your passion, and your support drive this mission forward just as much as the powerful engines of Starship. So what are your thoughts on SpaceX's Starship program and the game-changing Flight 7? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if this journey excites you as much as it excites us, don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow space enthusiasts, and subscribe to Elon Musk 24 Hours for more updates on this incredible adventure. Together, we're not just witnessing history, we're building the future. In the world of rocket engineering, precision isn't just important, it's everything. When you're building the largest rocket in human history, even the smallest oversight can lead to catastrophic failure. That's the challenge facing SpaceX right now with their revolutionary Starship program. After the partial success of Flight 6, all eyes have been on Booster 14 and its preparation for Flight 7. But recent developments at Starbase have revealed some unexpected hurdles. During a crucial movement operation on December 10th, Booster 14 came to an unplanned halt outside Megabay. Engineers rushed to address issues with its grid fins, the vital control surfaces that guide the massive rocket during its descent. This wasn't just a routine check, it was a sign of the complex challenges that have now pushed back the launch timeline into 2024. The stakes couldn't be higher. With plans for 25 launches next year, SpaceX needs every system working flawlessly. From the sophisticated communications array that failed during Flight 6 to the reinforced launch mount that bears the weight of this engineering marvel. This is the story of how SpaceX is methodically tackling these challenges, ensuring that when Starship next takes to the skies, it's ready for success. Welcome to Elon Musk 24 Hours. Let's dive right in. Inside SpaceX's Starbase facility, a story of unprecedented ambition and engineering prowess is unfolding. The path to Starship Flight 7 has become more than just a technical challenge. It's evolved into a testament to human perseverance and innovation that's pushing the boundaries of what we once thought possible. On that fateful December morning, as Booster 14 made its way toward the production site, no one expected the 2-hour delay that would reveal deeper challenges within the massive rocket systems. The morning sun cast long shadows across the launch facility as engineers huddled around the grid fins, their faces reflecting both concern and determination. This wasn't just another routine check. It was a moment that would reshape SpaceX's entire launch timeline. The real drama began during the cryogenic testing phase. Picture the scene. In the dead of night, as most of Texas slept, engineers began pumping 3,400 cubic meters of liquid nitrogen into the booster's tanks. The air itself seemed to crackle with tension as the ultra-cold liquid caused the massive structure to contract and groan. Every creak and every sensor reading told a story of materials being pushed to their absolute limits. The stainless steel skin of the rocket, gleaming under the floodlights, frosted over as temperatures plummeted to levels that would freeze most metal solid. But it was during the static fire test that the true magnitude of what SpaceX is attempting became clear. The ignition of all 33 Raptor engines created a spectacle that shook the very ground of Starbase. The roar of 7,590 metric tons of thrust echoed across Boca Chica, a sound so powerful it seemed to pierce the soul of everyone present. Local residents reported feeling the vibrations miles away, a reminder that this wasn't just another rocket test. It was humanity pushing against the very limits of what's possible. The grid fin situation revealed an unexpected twist in this unfolding drama. These massive control surfaces, each a marvel of engineering in their own right, showed signs of behavioral anomalies that sent ripples of concern through the engineering team. Late-night analysis sessions turned into early morning debates as experts pored over data, knowing that these fins weren't just components. They were the difference between a successful landing and catastrophic failure. Then came the sobering lessons from Flight 6. The failure of the tower's communication system during that crucial mission wasn't just a technical glitch. It was a wake-up call that echoed through every level of SpaceX's operations. Engineers working on the new system found themselves racing against time, knowing that each day of delay pushed back not just Flight 7, but the entire ambitious schedule for 2025. The orbital launch mount tells its own compelling story. After Flight 6, inspection teams made a startling discovery: wear patterns that no simulation had predicted, forces that no computer model had anticipated. This wasn't just about reinforcing steel and concrete. It was about understanding the raw, untamed power of the world's largest rocket in ways that only real-world experience could reveal. A breakthrough came during the heat shield inspection of Ship 33. Using advanced scanning technology, engineers discovered microscopic patterns in the thermal protection tiles that could revolutionize our understanding of atmospheric re-entry. Each of the 18,000 tiles underwent